Good morning children, welcome to English class children. In previous class you learned how butterflies bees lesson. Now I will give the notes children. First, Amen. Choose the correct options by the symbol of tick. First one, we came out into the bright light of the option A moon, option B sun, option C star. Which one is the correct answer? Sun. The next page. After some days, I also felt option A sleepy, B tired, C both A and B. Which one is the correct answer? Sleepy A. Third one, I spread out my A eyes, B wings, C ear. Which one is the correct answer? B wings. Fourth one, my colorful wings were shining in the option A moonlight, option B sun, option C both A and B. Which one is the correct answer? B sun. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Leaves, eating, look good, thinny, 7. First one, we look good at each other. Second one, we were like thinny threads. Third one, there were 7 of us. Fourth one, the green leaves look good, delicious. Fifth one, I saw my brothers and sister too were eating the leaf. Semen. Write true for true and F for false statements. First one, at first the butterfly is an egg. True. Second one, there were 10 thinny threads on the leaf. False. Third one, I could barely stand on my thinny legs. True. Fourth one, I saw one of my brothers also crawling out of his case. False. Fifth one, butterfly did not look beautiful. False. Match the following A and B. First one, I look good, beautiful too. Second, we were butterflies. Third one, they quickly dared out in the sun. Fourth one, I wriggled a bit and it cracked open. Fifth one, I felt good to be alive. Then here let us play with the words. F-man, use the words in the box to complete the sentence. Hiss, sail, fight, sing, ring, roar, swim, cries, burns, fly. Fire burns, aeroplane flies, soldiers fight, ships sail, bells ring, baby cries, fish swims, snakes hiss, lion roars, birds sing. G-men, circle the add one out. Crow, parrot, sparrow, lion, lion. Second one, tiger, jackal, cow, fox, cow. Third one, bull, goat, sheep, bear, bear. Fourth one, orange, potato, tomato, brinjal, orange. Next, boost your grammar. Divide the following sentence into the two parts, subject and predicate. What is the subject? What is the predicate? Subject is the person name, anything, things name. Predicate is the what is the subject doing? That one telling the predicate. Here, Tom's father is an engineer. See children, Tom's father is the engineer. Tom's father, this is the person name, is an engineer. Is an engineer is the predicate. Here, Tom's father is the subject. Is an engineer, this is the predicate. Subject is the person name, things name, anything. Predicate, what is the predicate doing? Predicate, what is the subject doing? That one indicate the predicate. If you understand children. ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋದ ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ರಾಮ ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದನು. ರಾಮ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ರಾಮ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು, ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟು. ಈಗ ರವಿ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಹೋದ. ರವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಕವನಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದರು. ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು. ಕವನಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದರು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟು. ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು. ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್, ಆ ಥರ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, Tina's mother is the teacher. Tina's mother is a teacher. A cat is chasing a rat. A cat is the subject, is chasing a rat, the predicate. The horse runs very fast. The horse is the subject, runs very fast is the predicate. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the subject, is the best policy is the predicate. The earth moves round the sun. The earth is the subject, moves round the sun is the predicate. Then seventh one, the sun rises is the east. The sun is the subject, rises is the east. That one is the predicate. Eighth one is that the sun sets in the west. The sun is the subject, sets in the west is the predicate. If you understand children. Then let us talk about the good habit. Take in pace. Joy. I plucked a flower from the garden. Komal, you should not pluck flowers. Niraj, I speak to her loudly. Neha, always speak softly. Shakti, let's run on this soft grass. Priya, don't run, only walk on the grass. Nikki, let's fly kite on the trees. Preeti, don't fly the kite on the trees. Anju, my room is all messed up. Divya, keep your room neat and tidy. Time to activity, complete the paragraph. I spread out my wings, the quickly dared out in the sun. Lo, I could fly, I fly into the sky. My colorful wings were shining in the sun. I felt good to be alive. Let us listen. Your teacher will read the following words. Listen to him or her carefully. Dear, dry, drink, drive, dress. D. Deliver, delight, describe, decide, die. Divide, divorce, dim, dinner. Do, done, dove, dug, doll. Compositions. With the following of your teacher, write the life skills of the butterflies in the space provided. Do it yourself, children. In previous class, I teach the how butterflies bees. That lesson you read, must and write, fill it that one. That one you only do it yourself, children. Okay. Then come to the next time to project. That one also you only do it, children. Color the picture colorfully and write 2 sentences about butterfly in the space provided. Do it yourselves, children. That one also. Thank you, children.